If you've been searching for the best AI coloring page generator online, Mimi Panda AI might be exactly what you're looking for, but there are 7 crucial things you need to know before using it. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and Mimi Panda AI just dropped something surprisingly powerful, especially if you're into art, printables, or digital products. Stick around, because what I found might save you time and even help you monetize your creativity. By the way, you can try Mimi Panda AI completely free from the first link below. No credit card needed. And what happens when you upload a photo to this software is kind of amazing. But it's not perfect, and I'll explain why. Let's start with what it does. Mimi Panda's AI coloring page generator takes any image, whether it's a selfie, a pet, or a digital design, and instantly transforms it into a clean, printable coloring page. Not just a filter, it outlines key details and simplifies textures in a way that actually makes sense for coloring, especially for kids or adult relaxation books. Now here's the first thing to know. Image quality matters a lot. If you upload a low-res or blurry image, the results might look messy or unusable. For best results, use high-resolution photos with clear subjects and minimal background noise. Second, you don't need to install anything. It's all online. Just upload your image, click a button, and boom, you've got a downloadable coloring page in seconds. The interface is super clean, and even total beginners can figure it out in under a minute. Number 3, and this one's huge, Mimi Panda AI is commercial use friendly, which means you can use these coloring pages in Etsy products, printable books, or client projects. This gives it a massive edge for creators and side hustlers. Fourth, let's talk customization. While the AI is mostly automatic, you can tweak things like line thickness and contrast. This is useful if the first result is too faint or overly detailed. But don't expect Photoshop level control. It's simple, and that's kind of the point. Fifth, batch processing is not available right now. You'll need to upload images one by one. That might be a deal breaker if you're trying to convert an entire batch for a big coloring book. But for one-offs, it's fast. Sixth, the AI doesn't always understand the difference between foreground and background. Sometimes it outlines the background too much, which can clutter the page. You might need to pre-edit your images or use the contrast settings to fix this. And seventh, and this is why I recommend trying it before judging, results can be shockingly good. Especially with animal faces, portraits, and clean product images. It's addictive once you see how well it works, and if you're in digital marketing or e-commerce like me, it opens doors for lead magnets, printables, and content offers that feel custom-made. Again, you can test it completely free from the first link below. I've tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and this one definitely earns a spot on the shortlist, especially for creators. If you want to explore more powerful AI software tools that you can try free, I've added my top recommended AI tools in the description, after filtering through thousands so you don't have to. Thanks for watching.